Well, hi everybody, it's Doug. So it was an exciting weekend last weekend, and I was really planning to do a video, and I'm like, okay, as soon as I get a free moment. Well, what the hell, it's Thursday. Just the week fell apart very, very quickly. But I'm here now, and I got a lot of cool stuff to show you. So we're going to be looking at some more acquisitions of mine, and then when we're done, we're going to be picking this lock. So lots to go through here. So to begin with, I had seen an ad and somebody was advertising an old lock, and I managed to acquire it, and that was this beautiful lock. It is a New York municipal lock. This was used on the Coney Island railway station, and the guy I bought it from actually took part in renovating that station, and he found a bunch of locks up in the attic. So this was actually, NYM was established in 1912, and in 1923 converted to New York Rapid Transit. The cool part about it is this guy also had and offered me this New York Rapid Transit lock, which, so then I've got a little bit of both. Went to Bill, my locksmith buddy, who is also a collector, and he happened to actually have this key all ready to go for that lock. So this lock, which was actually black when I picked it up, it was covered with soot. I just sprayed it down with some Houdini lock lube, and that takes off a lot of that griminess. You could see it had been painted and stuff over the years, but runs smoothly. And he only had the one key, so he gave me another key, which was not meant for this lock, and with my file, I made it work. So this second lock, which also had no key, again, they both came with no keys, looking beautiful. So I got the New York Municipal and the New York Rapid Transit, 1912, 1923, and forward. Couple of real beauties. Next, while I was there, he had seen my video with this lion face lock, the Yale in town, 1890s-ish, 1880s-ish. And he said, do you have a key for that? And I'm like, no, do you? And he said he did. We went through, he had a whole stack of keys, and this one was the magic key. So now this 120, 30-year-old lock now has a key. Makes me much, much happier. So, got that, and of course, while I was there, had to buy something, and he happened to have this beautiful Buffalo, Rochester, and Pittsburgh. You know I'm based in Buffalo, as you saw my Blizzard video before. Based in Buffalo, so Buffalo, Rochester, and Pittsburgh is kind of a really cool thing. Something about these WBs, I've noticed that they definitely tend to lose that shutter or drop, as it's called. So that seems to be common among these, but functions quite well, and I'm really, really thrilled to have this one. Great patina too, it's in great condition. All right, it is now time to attack this lock. I got this one some years ago, a couple years ago, in a trade from A.J. Clark. Many of you know him. So a American lock, round body, which I just love this round body, and runs really, really smoothly, which is nice. And it is time to pick it. Now, I've picked this one on video before, and I've picked it. It's sort of one of my stress locks. Whenever I need to relieve some stress and I need some reward, I will often pick this one. I actually already picked this one on video just a minute ago, but there are two ways to attack this, front to back or back to front. And my experience has shown me that back to front gives me some cool counter rotation from some spools, but also is a much longer pick, and I don't want to waste your time. So here we go. It is the 50 thousandths. That's a Sparrows, and this one is the Law Lock Tools. This one is one of the Tipene picks. I have never been able to differentiate them by name, so here we are. All right, let us start with 1. Nothing there. I was originally leveraging off the keyway, but I decided I'm going to go off my thumb. 2. Okay, nice click on 2. 3. 4, nice click on 4, nice click on 5, kind of a lighter one, back to a click on 1, click nothing on 2, nothing on 3, nice click on 4, and some spool action there with a false set. All right, back to 1, up and over, and we're through. There you go. Your American lock, your cylinder body, a beauty of a lock, and there's your pick. Thank you, everybody, for joining me today. Hey, if you get a chance, do subscribe, and if you can, throw a like in there. I'd love to hear your comments as well. Take care, everybody. Have a great rest of your week.